Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. My name is Lubaba. I am studying in UKG class. My school name is Karim Jamia Islamia Rabia English Medium School. Good manners. We say thank you. We say thank you. We say please. We say please. And excuse me. And excuse me. When we sneeze. When we sneeze. That's the way. That's the way. We do wasra. We do wasra. We are manners. We are manners. We are polite. We are polite. Aeroplane, 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 aeroplane. Up in the sky, up in the sky. Where are you going? Where are you going? Fly so high, fly so high. Over the mountain, over the mountain, over the sea, over the sea. Aeroplane, 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 aeroplane. Want you take me? Want you take me? I'm a little teapot, I'm a little teapot, short and strong, short and strong. This is my hand, this is my hand, and this is my spa, and this is my spa. When the water whirling, when the water whirling, hear me shout, hear me shout. Jab left me, Jab left me, and power me, and power me. I have a toothbrush, neat and clean. I have a toothbrush, neat and clean. To brush my teeth on every day. To brush them each morning. I brush them each morning. I brush them each night. I brush them each night till I